Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect phone Ford Transit, full guide. Start by turning on Bluetooth on your phone and unlocking it, then choose the transit from the device list. Keep your phone near the console and accept any pairing codes shown on both screens. If asked, allow contacts and messages access to enable hands-free calling and text notifications. If pairing fails, restart the phone and car system and try again. To use sync effectively, navigate the infotainment menu with a calm, steady voice and follow on-screen prompts. Choose Bluetooth settings, then review paired devices and select your phone to connect. If you see an update option, install it when parked to improve performance. Removing unused devices prevents auto-connection issues. Be patient and repeat the pairing steps if it does not connect on the first attempt, as timing matters for some phones. If you hit a snag, start with the basics. Toggle Bluetooth off and on your phone and reboot the infotainment unit if possible. Check for phone OS updates and confirm no privacy settings block Bluetooth pairing. Try pairing a second phone to identify whether the transit or your device is the problem. If issues persist, consult a dealer or the vehicle manual for deeper resets and avoid attempting firmware installs while driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.